Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this 2008 Swift Fairway 540. It's a fixed bed touring caravan. It's actually a special edition, unique to Broad Lane, and it comes with a whole host of extras fitted to it as standard. I'll try and point some of those things out to you as I show you around. It's got the Alco stabiliser on the front. It's got the one-piece aluminium sides, gas barbecue point for your outdoor cooking. You've got a storage wet locker box on the outside. There is power in there too. Access the space under the fixed bed. On the inside, it's got this super open plan configuration. Full-size Hecky roof light, as you can see. Plenty of locker storage. Those big, deep, curved locker front doors. You've got the night and fly screens throughout. Got the wraparound bolsters, look, 4 scatter cushions. Useful chest of drawers, alarm system, loose lay, easy, clean carpet. You've got the light wooden effect flooring, so you can have the carpets up or down to suit really, just like you may have at home. Kitchen area then, all mod cons, full cooker unit, incorporating the useful electric hot plate. You've got the grill and the oven, as you can see, so you can cook your breakfasts or your Sunday roasts to suit. Thetford easy to use fridge with freezer compartment. You've got the extractor fan over the kitchen, it's always useful. Lots of locker storage, microwave. You've got that low sideboard then immediately on the right as you walk in. So your first impressions of this caravan is it's very, very spacious, very, very open plan. It's a 4-berth touring caravan. The front makes into a double, and then you've got the fixed bed on the back. Double doors then to the wardrobing space. You've got the wash basin on my left with vanity mirror. Pull this door open to the washroom on the back. Everything's there, look. The rise and fall shower, and you've got push button electric flush loo. And there you go. It's fixed bed. It's open plan. Ideal for 2 or 4 of you. Ideal if you own dogs, given the amount of floor space you've got. It's in good condition. It comes with some nice extras as part of its standard specification, and it's available here to view right now. If you've got any questions, please give us a call. It's 01789 763 432. The sunshine is out, and no doubt lots of caravans will be sold in due course. Thank you very much.